Our hands look like this, so this can look like that. I don't give up. I'm pretending like I know what I'm doing. Hello guys, my name is Alejandra. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. It's so nice to have you. I hope that you like me enough to stick around. Today we are going to be making a pizza by scratch, but I'm not going to be doing this alone. I'm going to be doing this with this girl right here, my sister. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to show you the dry ingredients for the dough, and we went ahead and already measured everything. Okay, so then we have our 7 cups of flour. In the flour, we're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of salt. Okay, go ahead and pour it in here. Okay, so she just added the salt. So then in here we have our salt and our flour. Okay, so then we have our warm water, and Fatih is gonna add the sugar first. Okay, and now she's gonna add the dried yeast. And I'm gonna put on here how much of everything we're using. The lady said that there should be bubbles, so let's wait for the bubbles, I guess. Okay, so then we have this fun little measuring cup, and we are going to add the virgin oil to our flour and our salt. So go ahead, do the honors. Wow. You guys, isn't this cup the cutest? My mom just got home. Grandma. Finally, you guys can see. You can't see us, but we're not the meal. The pizza is. Yes, adore you all of the time. Boy, if you don't get... Fatih got tired of mixing, so now I'm mixing this. And I hate how I can't find the angle to show you guys both the flour and me. What it looks like so far. Does it look good, Fatih? Yeah. It just feels like I'm making tortillas de harina. Not that I know how to make any. I think I've been eating for like 7 minutes, and they said that if you turn it around and you push and it like fluffs back up, then it's done. And I see it fluffing, and then this is my favorite part, is where we make it look into a pretty little smooth little ball. A little smooth little thing. Look at that, guys. Our hands look like this, so this can look like that. Yes, adore you all of the time. We're not going to close it all the way, just in case it needs a little bit of air. We're going to have this set over there in the counter for an hour, and then we will be... Holy heck, guys, look at this. It's been an hour since this whole thing. Look at how big it is. I'm going to take it out of here. And I'm just going to knead it a little bit. Okay, so here's my dough. And we're going to place it back in the tub, close it again, and wait 1 more hour. Hey Siri, set a timer for an hour.
Your timer is set for 1 hour.
Okay, so she's set. We're going to let her rest for a whole hour, and then we are going to start making our pizza. Okay, as you can tell, I look different. Time has passed. I ran into a little dilemma. We don't have like a tray to put it in, so I had to improvise. I was like, what am I gonna do? How am I gonna do this? We are gonna be using aluminum foil because I don't know what else to put it on, and we're just gonna see how this works out. I have my tomatoes. They said to use whole tomatoes in like a can like this, so I'm gonna open the can. Look who decided to show up. Fatih, will you give me the salt? So then we have the tomatoes, and they're just whole tomatoes. So then I saw that she put salt in it, and I think that's just to give it flavor. So I'm just gonna pour some salt in here. We're gonna pour this in here. So I'm just gonna be smashing the tomatoes with the salt to make the sauce. I don't give up. Okay, so these are the pepperonis that we bought. And then This is the cheese that we bought. We already bought shredded cheese. Hopefully it shreds. Hopefully it melts, I mean. I'm gonna put the dough on the countertop. I'm gonna cut it, so we're only gonna use half of it, because if we use all of the dough, that's gonna be a huge pizza. So then here's half, and we're just gonna throw it back in the sartén. And then this is gonna be our pizza. The girl in the video, she just does this. We have one of these, but she doesn't use it in it. And then we are going to roll it like this. Poppy, look. I'm pretending like I know what I'm doing. And you kind of just use this part to create like the circle. Poppy, how come I know what I'm doing? Here's what it looks like right now. And now Fatih is going to poke holes in it. Okay, so now we're gonna put our tomato sauce in here. Okay, so now the last touch is pepperonis. Online, I saw that some people make it with oregano. So on this little portion of it, just a little bit, I'm gonna put some. As you can tell, very, very nice, very fresh. And I'm about to put it in the oven, so wish me luck with this. Look, there is our pizza. Okay guys, so we just popped our pizza in the oven. We just finished making everything. How do you feel? Cold?
Boy, if you don't get...
We will catch up with you guys in a little bit whenever that's good. Our pizza is done. We're about to cut it and then give you guys a taste test. Okay guys, so Fatih has her slice. I have my slice. And we're about to try it. My mom already tried it. Let me ask her. ¿Más está buena? ¿De verdad?
Neta, me lo juras.
So here goes me and Fatih's taste test.
Yeah, I'm looking for a little girl in a red dress.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
What do you think? You got some peas with oregano. What would you give it? Okay, let me try one more time. Okay, let me try the crust, and then I'll give you guys my review. Okay, what do you give it? I obviously can't stop eating. 1 out of 10. My mom said a 9. What do you say? An 8? An 8? You give it an 8? It's really hot. Okay, it's really good. Brother gives it an 8. I think I give mine a 9.5 because I think I could use a little bit more oregano, and I only put a little bit. Really good. Say bye. Tell your friends to subscribe. Subscribe. Alright guys, we're gonna just eat some pizza, go watch a movie, and just hang out, right? Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. Bye.